today, let's start with chapter number 15, some great men. There are many great people in our country, like we have Swami Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi. These all some people which are very great for us. Now let's study about them. India has been at birthplace of many people who selflessly, what they did, they devoted their life for welfare of the society. They spread the message of love, इक्वालिटी एंड ब्रदरहुड. ये किसका मैसेज बता रहे हैं? स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं लव का, इक्वालिटी का और ब्रदरहुड का. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न मोर अबाउट सच पर्सनालिटी हु विल ऑलवेज बी एन इंस्पिरेशन, जो हमारे लिए क्या होंगी? हमेशा इंस्पिरेशन होगी. पीपल हु इनरिच आवर थॉट्स, जो हमारे थॉट्स को इनरिच करते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? दे आर ग्रेट थिंकर्स, सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स, किंग्स एंड साइंटिस्ट. नाउ वी हैव ग्रेट थिंकर्स. Some great thinkers include Adi Shankaracharya, Swami Vivekananda, Gautam Buddha, Lord Mahavira and Guru Nanak Dev. These are the great thinkers. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे आदि शंकराचार्य. They traveled across to spread the message of love, brotherhood and humanity. इन्होंने 4 आश्रम स्टैब्लिश करे थे in the 4 corner of India. एक उड़ीसा में, एक उत्तराखंड में, गुजरात में और कर्नाटका में. Right? Next is Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati. He established an Arya Samaj and challenged superstition, idol worship, child marriage and caste system. और इन्होंने एडवाइस करा people को what? To be unselfish and to have faith in the divine power. आप unselfish है और अपने क्या करो? Divine रखो, faith रखो, divine power. Then we have Swami Vivekananda. He was a social reformer. He founded Ramakrishna Mission for the service and welfare of the people. He challenged the caste system and child marriage. He believed that education leads to development of the people. इन्होंने क्या बताया? Education it leads to development of the people in the society. Next we have Gautam Buddha and Mahavira. They are the founder of Buddhism and Jainism. ये किसके founder है? Buddhism के, Jainism के. Both of them taught non-violence, kindness, equality and love towards each other. Then we have Guru Nanak Dev. Was the founder of Sikhism. He taught that there is only one God. उन्होंने क्या बताया कि there is only one God. And he emphasized equality, unity, brotherhood, selfless service and honesty. He created the holy book Guru Granth Sahib that has a teaching of Sikh Guru. यहाँ पे किसकी टीचिंग देखने को मिलती है आपको? सिख गुरु. Then we have social reform. The people who fought against evil practices. जिन लोगों ने किसके अगेंस्ट लड़ाई करी है? evil practices के लिए, such as child marriage and dowry system. Or betterment of society, what they are called social reformers. Now Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he was a great scholar. He fought against many social evil practices such as sati pratha, burning of widow, along with our husband dead body. ठीक है, child marriage. He also founded Brahmo Samaj to encourage the worship of one God and then social evils. और जितने भी social evils थे उनको ban करा था. Right? Then we have Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as father of nation. And what he did, throughout his life, he emphasized unity among the people of all religion. He fought against caste system and inspired people to follow path of non-violence. लोगों को इंस्पायर करा कि आप कौन सा पाथ फॉलो करोगे? नॉन वायलेंस का. राइट? ही अबॉलिश्ड अनटचेबिलिटी एंड कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. इसने अनटचेबिलिटी और कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन दोनों को क्या करा? अबॉलिश करा. नाउ वी विल सी हम सम kings like we have Ashoka, Akbar, Krishnadev Rai. Now, first is Ashoka, ruler of Mauryan dynasty. He was a great warrior है, who fought many battles to conquer various regions. The bloodshed and death of people in the Kalinga war moved him to quit violence. ठीक है, कलिंगा वॉर की वजह से इन्होंने यारा अपने को वायलेंस से क्विट कर लिया. Ashoka became a full follower of Buddhism and he devoted his all life to spread the message of love, peace, humanity and non-violence. क्योंकि वो जो वॉर हुआ था ना, वो बहुत ब्लडी वॉर था जब से उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. Then we have Krishnadev Rai. He is regarded as an icon by many Indians. He was a ruler in South India. He made all possible efforts to encourage peace and prosperity and he built temples, water tanks, dams. Now scientists. Ancient India is known to have numerous mathematicians, astronomers and medical experts. They prove that hard work, dedication, sincerity, passion, and strong willpower could lead a success. Now Aryabhatta, He was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. इन्होंने क्या invent करा था? Zero. And the first satellite of India was named after him. Then we had Chakra, known as the father of Ayurveda. Sushruta is known as father of Indian surgery. ठीक है, और भी साइंटिस्ट हैं जैसे JC बॉस हो गए, आपके CV रमन हो गए, होमी भाभा हो गए, तो APJ अब्दुल कलाम. Now, Sir CV Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was a great scientist of India. He is good in studies from early childhood. His first job was with the Indian Civil Service, accountant in Kolkata. He experienced a very beautiful time and spare time. He became a professor of physics at Kolkata University and carried out his research on optics and scattering of light. Now in 1920, C.V. Raman was made Knight and he got the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovering of scattering of light called Raman effect. Raman effect लेके आए थे आपका जो physics में. These were the different scientists and the different kings those we have studied in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.